Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Google Forms ownership from one account to another. Whether you're handing off a project to a colleague or transitioning responsibilities, this process ensures the new owner has complete control over the form. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to forms.google.com. Once you're there, log in with your credentials to access your Google Forms dashboard. Make sure you're using the account that currently owns the form you want to transfer, as only the owner can initiate this process. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Google Forms dashboard displaying your recent forms. Navigate to the Recent Forms section and locate the specific form you want to transfer ownership of. Click on that form to open it. This brings you into the Forms editing interface where you can manage all its settings and sharing options. Now look over to the right panel where you'll find the Share button, which is positioned right beside the Publish option. Click on Share to open up the sharing settings. This is where you'll control who has access to your form and what level of permissions they have. In the sharing dialog that appears, you'll see a field where you can add people. Type in the email address of the person you want to transfer ownership to, then press Enter on your keyboard. This adds them to the list of people who can access your form. At this stage, they don't have ownership yet, just access. Next, navigate to the email address you just added in the list. You'll notice a drop-down menu next to their name. Click on that drop-down and select Editor from the available options. This gives them editing permissions on the form. Once you've selected Editor, click the Send button to grant them access. They'll receive an email notification about this access, and they'll now be able to make changes to your form. Now comes the ownership transfer part. Click the Share button again to reopen the sharing settings. Navigate back to the email address you just added and click the drop-down menu beside their name once more. This time you'll see an option that says Transfer Ownership. Click on that option. Google will prompt you to confirm this action since transferring ownership means you'll no longer be the owner of the form. Confirm the transfer, and that's it. The ownership of your Google form has now been successfully transferred to the other account. The new owner will have full control, including the ability to delete the form or transfer ownership again if needed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.